You sit down, laptop open, coffee ready. Today you're actually going to focus, you mean it this time. 5 minutes later, you're on your phone. You don't even remember picking it up, it just happened. 2 hours gone, nothing done, and now you feel guilty on top of it. So you ask yourself the question everyone asks, what is wrong with me? Why can't I just focus? Here's the answer. Nothing is wrong with you. Your focus isn't broken, it was taken from you. Your brain wasn't born distracted, it was trained to be distracted, and it was trained very well. 20 years ago, people read books for 3 hours straight, watched 2-hour movies without touching anything. That was normal. Today, most people can't watch a 30-second video without checking something else. That's not evolution, that's damage. The average person gets around 46 notifications a day. Every single one is a small interruption to your brain. And here's what most people don't realize. Every interruption doesn't cost you 1 second, it costs you much more. Research shows it takes around 23 minutes to get back into deep focus after an interruption. 23 minutes. Do the math. If you're interrupted even 10 times a day, you may never reach deep focus at all, not once. But interruptions are only half the problem. The bigger problem is what those interruptions give you: dopamine. Real work gives your brain dopamine after 2 hours of effort. Your phone gives it in 2 seconds. Your brain is not stupid. It picks the phone. This is not weakness. This is basic biology. Your brain is an energy-saving machine. It always chooses the cheaper reward. And once your brain tastes that huge instant spike, everything slower starts to feel boring. Books feel boring, work feels boring, life feels boring. This is called tolerance. The more spikes you get, the more you need to feel anything at all. That's why people now watch videos at 2 times speed while scrolling on a second screen. One source of stimulation isn't enough anymore. And this creates a loop. You get bored, so you grab your phone. Your phone makes real life more boring, so you grab your phone again. Here's the good news. This loop was built, which means it can be broken, and it takes less time than you think. Your brain is plastic. That means it rewires based on what you feed it. You trained it to be distracted, you can train it back. Rule 1. Distance beats willpower. Don't put your phone face down, put it in another room. Willpower fails, distance doesn't. If reaching your phone takes 20 seconds of walking, your brain won't bother. That 20 seconds is enough to keep you working. Rule 2. Stop trying to focus for 3 hours. Start with 25 minutes, one timer, one task, nothing else. Focus works like a muscle. You don't start at 100 kilos. You start light and you build. 25 minutes today, 50 next month. Rule 3, and this is the hardest one, let yourself be bored. Walk without headphones. Wait in line without your phone. Eat without a screen. Boredom is not the enemy. Boredom is the reset button. It lowers your tolerance and makes normal life feel interesting again. Rule 4, one task at a time. Multitasking is a myth. Your brain doesn't split attention, it just switches and pays a fee every time. 5 tasks at once means 5 tasks done badly. One task at a time means one task done right and then the next. So here's your challenge. 7 days, not 30. Not a whole new lifestyle, just 7 days. Every day, phone in another room. One 25-minute focus block, one walk with no headphones. That's it. 3 things. Day 1 will feel uncomfortable. Day 3 will feel easier. By day 7, you'll notice something you haven't felt in years: quiet in your head. Focus is not a personality trait. It's not something you have or don't have. It's a skill, and skills are built. In 1 year, you'll either still be scrolling, or you'll have built something real. The difference starts with one 25-minute block today. Comment below, day 1. Just type it. Then go put your phone in another room. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.